Hello everyone, my name is Kamal Chandorishi. Today I going to talk about a happy person. Yes, I know a happy person is my friend Rohim. He always cheerful and positive in every solution. No matter how difficult life becomes, he never lost his smile. He liked to happy others, make a people feel comfortable around him. Rohim enjoys small things like spend time with family, playing football, and listening to music. He believes that happiness comes from within, not from money, from or success. Every even when he faces problem, he stays strong and hopeful. His positive attitude inspires me a lot, and I learning from him how to stay happy in life. Thank you everyone.